Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September, and you will see what are the general messages for you in the coming week. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Librans from 14th till 20th of September, please. Let's see now. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, okay? So, Librans from 14th till 20th, 3 shuffles, please. Okay, so what's going on right now? So eight of cups. So this is a general environment around you. So this is somebody who is moving away from your situation, or you might be moving away from some kind of a situation. This is more about moving on in life. When some kind of a place, when some places, you don't deserve to be in some place, or some people don't deserve you. So what do you do at that time? You walk away. So you're walking away from something. Let's see what it is. The Temperance. The issue over here with the obstacles, the conflicts, this is something you are actually preventing. You're preventing your self-development. This is why, because why you have moved away from a situation, because that situation didn't bring peace, harmony, balance, which you actually wanted. All you wanted was a simple, meaningful life with someone, or a situation not to deal with a lot of tensions, and you are more about a peace lover, and that is why you are moving away. That if the things, when things don't bring a lot of happiness, don't bring a lot of calmness in your life, you walk away from that situation. And that is what you are doing right now. You are walking away, you are moving on in your life. What is the foundation? Knight of Swords. Foundation of the situation which you don't want to look at. So this might be something very fast. You know why you don't want to look at this situation? Because this involves fighting. See, over here, this person is ready to fight a battle. So you don't want to look at this thing, because you have to fight for that thing. So it's better to move on rather than fighting the situation. That is why I'm seeing that it's better that is why you have chosen the path of moving on than to fight back. Because you wanted peace, you wanted calmness, harmony, and you didn't get that thing. So that is why you prefer to move on. Your past scenario, the Magician. So this might be you over here, I would say, because this is something which you manifest. When you manifest, this is more about communication as well, with the Magician as the Gemini card over here. So your past situation is like, I manifested this thing. So whatever thing was that you were all into, you had all the equipments, you had all the tools, but still you couldn't do anything. There was everything around you, but still you couldn't do. Okay, we'll see. What's in your mind? 6 of Pentacles. See, again, this is your purpose. Your purpose is to maintain balance, to find balance, to seek balance, to have patience in life, to have calmness in life. And you know that you want that thing. All you want is peace. You don't want to enter into conflicts. You don't want to enter into any kind of drama. No, that is not you. Your future card, 6 of Wands. So this thing which you are moving on, you are moving away, you are holding back, whatever this thing is actually bringing you success in life. Because you know, when you are, it's like that sometimes when you feel that I should move on from a situation, like rather than interrupting, rather than saying bad things to other person or whatever, if this is a person or if this is a situation, rather than being in that bad zone, it's better to move on from that situation. Sometimes we actually gain success from this kind of a thing. When we focus on our energy, when we focus on ourselves, it actually gives us a lot of success, a lot of victory, and that is what is coming towards you. You are ready to move away, and that is why you are moving towards the success, you're moving towards the victory. How you see yourself, see, this is you, justice, Libran energy. So how you see yourself, you see yourself as the person who really all, see, this reading is all about maintaining balance, balance and balance. This is what you need right now, this is what you seek right now. You don't want to involve in the conflict zone, not right now at least. Your whole focus is on yourself. How people see you as Knight of Pentacles, yes, people might see you as someone who is very slow, someone who is not ready to take any decision, because Knight of Pentacles, he doesn't move anywhere, he doesn't go, he doesn't leave, he just stays there, he doesn't go. So this is how people see you. People see you as someone who is really who loves security, and that is what you are in, who loves to be in the comfort zone. Basically, see, this is something which is actually coming up. In your past with the Magician, you manifested, you tried to do something else, you wanted to do something else, but you couldn't. Okay, then again in present you thought again, but why you are not moving into that direction? Because you are in your comfort zone, you don't want to leave your comfort zone, you are more about that, let be here, you are happy because you are secure here. Changes, when changes come in your life, they affect you a lot. You don't want changes in your life, you just want to be in a particular zone, your comfort zone, and that is why you are resisting some kind of changes. It's better not to change anything. You don't like things to be changed from one place to another. No, that is not your cup of tea. Your fears, 3 of Cups. Your fears, or this is something, some kind of lessons which you really need to learn. This is like, what I'm seeing over here is that you are really happy when you're alone, and a group of people, they annoy you, they actually, you try to be, you really want to hide yourself. Then if many large group of people come towards you, you feel very anxious at that time. That is why this is the fear of yours. If people come towards you, they start talking to you, you kind of start getting fearful, and you're afraid of that kind of a feeling. So, but this is a lesson which you really need to learn, that people, sometimes being social is also good. You should be social, you should be in social media as well. So try to be with people, try to talk to people, different situations, different mindsets. That sometimes it actually is good for your mental health as well. Okay, so your final outcome, this is what you will gain from this experience. So this is something which you are actually, see, with the 6 of Wands and 3 of Wands, if you are really ready, if you are, because see, you are into your personal growth, you want that your personal growth shouldn't be harmed, your personal growth should not be affected by anyone, by any outsider, by any person who will just come towards you and say bad stuff to you. No, you are more into that zone where you want to be happy. So when you really want to be happy, then no one else can actually destroy your happiness, can destroy your being successful. No one can destroy that thing. And that is why, see, you are moving on, you want to explore the world, and you are ready to move on. And when you will be ready to move on, you will actually receive success, the victory which you were always wanting to get. Okay, so that's all, Librans, I guess. And yeah, I just want to clarify this magician. Let's see, what is this magician in the past energies? What is this magician, please? Page of Pentacles. See, there was something new which you were going to start in the past. You had all the tools. It's like that you just moved on from that situation, but you had all the equipments, all the tools, all the knowledge which was required. You were a student, you were kind of a student in that thing. It was really stable thing, but you didn't let it happen. You moved on from that situation. Okay, so that's all from my side, Librans. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.